intervention. Hold on. I said shut up! This is an intervention about snoring. As you can hear, be quiet so you can hear. Oh my lord. Oh lord, everybody's going crazy. Everybody's going crazy. Not off, take it off.
Get the tranquilizer. Oh God, Lord Jesus Christ.
Oh my God. Oh man, come on.
My pillow. Nick, get it off.
Just don't put my pillow, just. Get my pillow over here.
This is the intervention, eh? This is an intervention about a man that wants his pillow. Gay, that laughs on me is like. This is called a slick willy. As you can see, he just got blood.